Okay, so this is the visors that I'm going to be installing on my 2010 Mazda 3. Comes with the alcohol pads, 4 sets of visors. A little dark, but that's okay. Uh, these are really cheap. I'm going to put down the description, the item number in the product from Amazon. This box right here came with instructions on the back. As you can see by turning around, right there is instruction. Once again, this is for the 2010 Mazda 3. This is the car, white car as before. Okay. First thing you need to do is clean all this window surface here with the provided alcohol pad. Um, the thing is, they only provided one, so I have to add another one. Like I said, the instructions on the back of the box. So if you have any questions, there's actually two methods of installing this. One is outside the window. What do you call this? Window sill, and the other one is the inside of the window channel. So this is the finished product. Window sill, well, so window adhesive on the back of that. Just basically a double-sided M, 3M adhesive. All right, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell button to